Yo, what is, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to another video from Wrector. So this is just going to be an update to the previous Bitcoin video that I posted, and also you might learn a little bit of technical analysis because I'm just going to do it live. Okay. So yeah. So on the last video we predicted that on the forward chart, as in the long term, Bitcoin will most likely dump from 43,000. So, which did happen. I also told you if people are going to buy, they might place their buying orders on different price ranges. So that's what instantly happened over here. Bitcoin dropped, the buy orders were picked, and it instantly pumped back up. They booked their profit and they sold it. By they, I mean the whales, institutes, big players, and probably a little bit of contribution from us. All right, let's get back. Let's get back into what we see in Bitcoin right now. So on the if you look through the indicators on the 4 hour, yeah, this is we have some good reversal candles over here. Probably a little bit close to 3 white soldiers. Yeah, so we have a MACD crossed. The RSI has been moved from overbought position. It's almost to its near 50s. I believe most likely we might cross the 50s and might be showing us some new buying potential. But then that's not the case. I mean, you need to watch until the end of the video. Why did I say that is not the only case? Buying as in what I meant was for short-term buying. Okay, so let's see if you look into the 15 minutes. 15 minutes, the BB strategies, it shows it's a good buy area. So most likely we can push it up to the previous support level, 43,000. The RSI is neutral, but then we are still trading over 50s. The MACD most likely will be crossed upwards by the time I record this video. Yeah. So let's do some analysis and see what's up with Bitcoin. Right. Okay. So what do I see here? I see an inverted double bottom. If I, oops, sorry about that. Drawing live is not a hard thing. Well, okay, whatever. Let's continue. So we see a inverted double bottom over here. If I draw it for you, that's a leg, that's a support, that's a leg, that's a support. So yeah, inverted double bottom. Uh, Most likely, if you trade based on technical analysis, most of us we would wait until the forward candle breaks above, and probably some might long right after it breaks, some might long right after it breaks, some might wait until it retraces and then show some buying momentum. It depends on the strength of the candle and the volume. Yeah. So short term, right now, it's a good buying potential. But then definitely, if you're going to do this on leverage, you will have to manage your risks. As in, you don't go all in at this point. If you want to invest, if you have $100, I might say you invest $5 per trade in total. So what you're going to do is you're going to put a $2 buy here, a $2 buy little lower, and then a $1 buy with a stop loss below 40,000. You might definitely make profits by the time you see this video and you check this area. So if you look into the long term, this is getting dangerous, man. I mean, look at this. If you're, I mean, if you're doing technical analysis, you know that this is really bad. Okay. So you see a head and shoulder over here. So what does head and shoulder mean? Hold on, let me get a picture. Okay, so look at this. Right. So yeah. So you see the price comes from below, breaks the support level, makes the left shoulder, and here is the head, as you see, and here is the right shoulder. So and then you have to, I mean, if you're taking a trade based on this, you'll have to wait until it breaks the support level. So since we are looking this on a daily chart, so you'll have to wait until the price falls below 40,000 and closes the daily candle. Okay. So I mean, so far that has not happened, so we don't have to worry about that. And then my personal view on Bitcoin is I elaborated it yesterday, right? If I'm a whale, I would not go all in. I'll just place my buy orders below. I'll definitely make profits, right? So far this has not taken place yet, so most likely we are safe right now. So let's get into BTC down and see what's the effect on this to us. Okay, so I've previously drawn the resistance level over here, the support level over here. Let's go into 4 hours. Yeah. So what's happening right now? So right now we had a falling wedge. We broke above. If I draw it for you, yeah, we have a falling wedge. We broke above, and then we hit 1080s. Uh, right now we are trading at a midterm resistance level. So if you put a fib over here, so most likely we have like weak support. So let's get into the indicators. So right now this is an overbought position. The RSI is I mean, it has hit the roof, but not high, but then it's not overbought. I mean, most likely we might drop a bit because of the MACD cross on the 4 hour chart. So let's get into the lower time frames, okay? What do you see here? You see a almost cup and handle, and it shot up, which is dangerous. You know, if you are good in technical analysis, this is a very dangerous point for you to put in more money. The MACD is cross upwards. The RSI is showing a good buying momentum. Most likely, the BB strategy might give us a good buy signal as well. So we are presently resisting the current support level of BTC down. Yeah, yeah, it is. So most likely, if this is to travel up, BTC and all other altcoins might dump. Okay, so keep that in mind. So let's get into Ethereum, Bitcoin. What do I see here? I'm not gonna go into lower time frames on this one. I'm just gonna check out in the 4 hour. So most likely, what do we see here? Yeah. So while everything dumped on the early December, we had at our highest point for the year. Yeah, that was highest point for the year of 2021. So most likely people knew this is how much it was going to reach, and then they sold. They sold. They sold. They sold. We came back to our previous support. Then it was pumped as in, you know, a little bit of money flowing, and then people got their profits on their resistance. They sold. Right now we have broke the previous support level. We are right now at the present support level, which is the current trading price 0.0765. So how does this impact Bitcoin and all kinds? So let's look at this. So if you want to buy Ethereum through Bitcoin, you need to have USDT. You use that to buy Bitcoin, and then you use the Bitcoin to buy Ethereum Bitcoin. So what happens over here? So let's imagine for for instance, let's imagine that when the price was over here, people bought Bitcoin, then they bought Ethereum Bitcoin. The price was pumped to the new, as in not the all-time high, but then the yearly high. And then people knew this was, they sold over here, and then it instantly dropped. So right here, you're going to sell Bitcoin. You're also going to sell Ethereum, which is going to cause you a lot of trouble, right? When it gets converted back into US dollars and then it dropped. So that's what I wanted to mean over here. So if you draw a fib, right now we are trading above the zero point 0.5 range. Most likely we'll get resisted by the 0.382, and we might fall down. So if you look into the long term, taking into consideration that about uh, Bitcoin down, and also ETH, BTC. I mean, you know that the coins are not, I mean, all coins are not good enough to hold for a very long term. I mean, right now, if you want to buy something, you need to have backup investment to keep on dollar cost averaging, right? That's how you make money on hard markets. So yeah, so just to recap what I was telling you, BTC, USDT, yeah. So just to recap, we have a head and shoulder on the daily chart, but then it has not broken yet. We bounced off the 40 support levels. I don't think this is going to take place, but if it does, you need to be careful. On the short term, we are on the edge of the channel. So most likely we might reach 43,000. Yeah. So this is not financial advice. I'm just giving you my point of view on Bitcoin and the all other coins which want to follow it. So yeah, if there is anything to get from this, take it. If not, leave it. Right? Subscribe my channel. Uh, I also run a Telegram group. Please join that. I'll leave the links below. Thank you very much until I see you on a new video.